Open your toilet seat package and inspect the parts included. You should have 2 plastic mounting sleeves, 2 rubber gaskets, 2 hinge pin mounts, 2 bolts, and 2 protective caps. Before we get started, you'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, also known as a crosshead screwdriver, and a tape measure for proper installation. Start with the plastic sleeve mount and use your thumb and forefinger to squeeze the 2 small flexible arms of the plastic mounting sleeve. With the flexible arms of the sleeve pressed between your thumb and forefinger, place the tip of the plastic mounting sleeve into the mounting hole on the toilet bowl. Keep squeezing the small flexible arms and rock the plastic sleeve back and forth while firmly pushing it into the hole. Now unscrew and remove the bolt. We will use that bolt in the following steps. Push the plastic sleeve into the hole so that the flange sits flush with the top of the bowl. If you find it too difficult to push all the way in by hand, you can try using the handle end of a screwdriver to gently press it in. Repeat these steps for the other plastic sleeve mount. Now, insert the rubber gasket into the plastic bottom of the hinge pin mount. Place the hinge pin mount over the mounting sleeve in the position shown, and repeat for the other side. Insert the bolt into the plastic hinge sleeve and tighten to a snug fit only. Do not fully tighten the bolts yet. The hinge pin mounts should be positioned as shown. Use a ruler or tape measurer to check the pin position. The metal pins need to be equally spaced at 6 3/4 inches apart. To check our pin positions, place the toilet seat upside down on the bowl so that the mounting holes in the seat line up with the metal pins. Adjust the pin position as needed. Gently place the Nightlight seat on the hinge pins and lightly lay the seat down. Check the alignment of the toilet seat with the toilet bowl. If the seat is too far forward, too far back, or too far left or right, remove the seat and readjust the hinge pin mounts. Once the toilet seat is aligned with the bowl, gently lift and remove the seat and fully tighten the bolts securely with a Phillips head screwdriver. Underneath, the plastic mounting sleeve should appear as shown, with the bottom segment engaged into the top of the sleeve. Place the protective caps over the hinge pin mounts and push down securely. Now, click the toilet seat onto the hinge pin mounts and check for proper function and alignment with the toilet bowl. To remove the seat for cleaning, simply raise the seat lid to the open position and lift off. Once cleaning is complete, align the hinge holes to the hinge pins and press down firmly to secure the seat to the toilet bowl.